Oh shit, let me clean y'all real quick. What happened? Really? Right. Go ahead, show them.
We're driving through this road that we had to get through.
Finally made it to the racetrack and I'm a little disappointed. But it is a very cloudy and rainy day, so it just gives us a reason to come back, right?
Yo, honestly, it's a new experience. We've been here, we did it, we hit the spot, but it's super cold.
It's cold,
it's muddy,
and wet, and
it feels like
muddy.
It feels like we're gonna like walk into a quicksand at any moment.
Yeah, so we're just gonna probably make it to that rock right there,
since we drove all the way,
and then literally head back and find somewhere to stay and cook dinner. So, deuces. Okay guys, this is the best part about traveling and like living on the road pretty much. You get to have dinner and hang out with your favorite doggos and people in this beautiful view. And then guess what? Not to mention we're making some bomb ass steak.
We're literally eating a meal that between us three in a restaurant would pay $350.
Exactly. Yeah, we're literally right in front of the racetrack in Death Valley, and then just the whole view all around is just amazing. And just look at this bomb ass meal that we're about to eat here in front of this beautiful view, rather than sitting in a restaurant where there's just walls and other people being like yelling in your face and shit pretty much. But let me show y'all the meal real quick. So for today's menu, we got some steak, vegetables, and some homestyle mashed potatoes. Yes, isn't that good, boy? So kitchen, right? Kitchen. Use Ali. Pretty girl. A little dance sesh. Okay. Ooh, pop that. Boosie. Pop. Hey. Get it. Cheers.
We're gonna take it in. No fucking chaser. You're gonna warm us up.
Wee.
Wee.
Cheers. Our veggies are done. Boiling water for mashed potatoes. Steak
Instant mashed potatoes.
Yes. Steaks are almost done. I'd like it more toasty. And then he's gonna basically just put it there for 2 seconds and then eat it like that.
Yo, how do you guys eat your steak though? Like, tell her you're supposed to eat your steak. Medium rare, at least medium. Come on.
Like, oh my god, I'm so tired. Alright guys, leave it down in the comments below how you eat your steaks, because I want to know. I like mine's well done.
How do you like your steak, people? Tell her. Let her know. Let
Comments.
her motherfucking know. Well done.
She likes well done. I like
just
well
eat a
done.
fucking hockey puck.
Hockey puck. So here you have it. We have some mashed potatoes seasoned with some adobo. Well, everything is mainly seasoned with this, which is bomb. Really all you need. I do like to add some peppers. Butter on everything, of course. We gotta rewarm that shit up right quick. And yes, that's it. So here's the meal. Oh wait, the cheese, not to forget the cheese.
Oh. Did you season this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, that's enough just because we need some for breakfast tomorrow. So, my stupid ass forgot our forks and spoons, so this is how we're eating. I don't know if y'all see that knife, but yeah. Right. Go ahead, show them.
Literally with a whole spatula, but listen, it got the job done.
Right.
So I ain't complaining.
Facts.
Oh, you should have put it wide angle. That's definitely going on there.
Y'all a little dirty. It's alright. Makes all of us. Anyways. Well, you know what I mean. Anyways, good morning. Today, we woke up, ready to go. We're at, what canyon?
The Golden Canyon.
Golden Canyon. We're trying to
In Death Valley.
get at least 3 things done before we head to Joshua Tree. And then, yeah, hopefully we get there before sundown. And then we're gonna get lit. Turn up. Turn up. Anyways, guys, welcome to my new camper.
That's cool.
Want to show you guys hay gente.
Really?
Yeah. Good morning. It is a beautiful morning, actually. And Robert's already tripping. As always.
You already know.
Guys, I want you guys to see how beautiful the colors on these rocks are. I wonder if they can see how great the colors on these rocks are. Like greenish and then like brownish. Wee. Look at that, he gets so nervous every time. He's always like, what do I do? What do I do? Woo! Hey! Babe. Guys, look at that. So we thought that this was a good turning point because we are on a little time crunch to be able to make it to Joshua Tree early. Anyways, we got a few more spots to hit and then head to Joshua Tree, and Joshua Tree is still 4 hours away. So we don't even know if we're gonna make it before sundown. All right, guys, so we just finished with the canyon.
I was like, he wasn't paying attention. She's like, what happened? I was like, look at that.
Guys, look at the view. So she's not like being awkward. Come on.
I'll get one of him wasting the water.
Right. Tell them where we at.
First of all, my cats are feeling better. Got some exercise in them. We are at Zabriskie Point. We didn't know we were gonna hit this, but we saw it while we were driving, and here we are.
We wanted to hit it, we just didn't know.
God didn't want to miss it.
Exactly. Just like we missed the pallet. But it's okay. It's just as nice. Ooh. Even better. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know if they can see how steep it is. Ah. Come on, Hazy. Come on, Hazy. Come on.
Hello.
All right, arrived. So We crossed some train tracks and decided to stop and take some pictures. You have your phone?
Look at these rocks,
Because
they're
mine's still
beautiful.
charging.
They're purple rocks.
Look at all these rocks, mommy. I just feel like train tracks are just so dope. They're just so dope to me. I don't know. So stop in here, take a few photos, keep going to Joshua Tree. We're only about an hour and a half away, so we bought some wood to make some fires, and yeah. See you in a bit. Now, I mean, basically that's all you're gonna be able to see, but in the morning when we wake up, we'll do a better shot. So there's that. Anything to say?
Bye.
Bye.
Let's enjoy our burritos.
And then our drinks, because now we are
Not
not driving, so we could drink.
Bye.
Yeah. They like, you eating, Moo? Good girl, mommy.
I heard something.
Yeah,
I
I heard that too.
And then I started dancing.
Cheers, bitches.